Hello everyone, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing, and the daylight's fading and the dogs are wrestling in the background, but I wanted you to see my latest trash to treasure project. My mom ordered a gazebo from Costco. I think she had it shipped to her, and they come in a bracket, essentially the shipping container, so no wood at all, just this. It's a metal gazebo with the fabric top. You've seen them, lots and lots of people have them. And there were complaints online about what do you do with this packaging when you're done. So my mom sent it to me to see what would become of it. And I saw it and I looked at it and I thought I could stand it up on end and grow vines on it. But I have lots of vines and I needed something of interest here because the dogs run, this is their hot spot, they run back and forth through here. So I'm never gonna be able to grow anything decent here. So I asked my husband and he cut some 4x4 legs for it and got some 1x6s. Plywood would work too. And I lined it with landscape cloth, you'll see right here, just because I had it. I didn't have to. And then I just went around my yard and picked weeds and took sad, forgotten pots of things that haven't been watered. You can see this poor guy is all singed, and put them in here. And what I'll probably do is water it for a couple days and watch it, and then I might go this weekend and pick up a couple of plants to get some more height for it. But a lot of these little guys, like these will bloom, spread out and be gorgeous. These get big and bloom amazing pink once it gets hot. This will fill in like crazy. This will get big. These guys will bloom gorgeous. So a lot of this stuff in just a couple of weeks. And in here, these were a bunch of ground covers that were in a pot all dried out. So I just took the whole thing and shoved it in. But there's some really neat things. And then little guys in here. And I just went through my backyard. I have some more amazing succulents out front in another area that I'm growing. So I just wanted a balance between what it will look like now and as it fills in. And I might take some of this out later because it spreads and can be a little aggressive. But I also might add more because I have a lot of it. And I just put in random things that were growing around my yard. So I just wanted you to see my project. I don't know how much the boards were, but other than that, it was complete trash to treasure. It didn't end up in a landfill, and I think I'm gonna love it. So to give you an idea of how it looks in here, this is our little bus stop building. Has a clear roof and a bench across the back. And I'll get out my cushion and some more lights and stuff. So it'll be really nice to sit there in the summer, and this planter will have tons and tons of interest in it. So there you go, and you can see the big guy. Okay, so thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. The subscribe button should be in the lower right hand corner. Thanks, and have a great day.